Hello, Science 21 Grade 3 team. Do you know that you have free, limited access to a resource that enhances your Science 21 curriculum? STEM-SIMS is a suite of over 350 digital labs and simulations that give you and your students access to virtual investigations that companion your Science 21 lessons. For instance, in Unit 1, Forces and Interactions, Lesson 5, Modeling Balanced and Unbalanced Forces, students investigate balanced and unbalanced forces. After students complete their investigation, they can move to a STEM-SIMS lesson that provides an application of this concept. In this lesson, students investigate how the number of pumps provided to a water rocket affects the distance flown by that rocket. To access STEM-SIMS lessons, go to stemsims.com, log in using your Science 21 username and password. Once logged in, select grades 3 through 5 and the category of Science 21. Choose the search button and a listing of all free grades 3 through 5 modules appear. Choose the Water Rocket module and then Lesson 2, How does the number of pumps affect rocket flight? Select the View Lesson tab. The teacher guide appears on the top of the screen, the lesson on the right side of the screen, and the simulation on the left side. You can make the simulation full screen by selecting the bracket icon for whole class demonstrations. If you want your students to individually conduct this investigation, each student can log into STEM-SIMS using the general student login provided to you. The general login for all students is your name _ student or your name space student. All students will use the password 12345 to log into STEM-SIMS. For printouts of the lesson, select the Documents tab and then either PDF for a printout or Word to download, modify, and save a copy of the lesson. Choosing the brochure option gives you access to engagement and extension activities your students can complete at home. In this extension activity, students build and test their own air rocket from common materials found in their homes. The following Grade 3 Science 21 lessons have free companion STEM-SIMS lessons using virtual tools. The STEM-SIMS lessons should be completed after your students complete the specific Science 21 lesson. In Unit 1, Forces and Interactions, Lesson 5, Modeling Balanced and Unbalanced Forces, the STEM-SIMS lesson is Water Rockets, Lesson 2, How does the number of pumps affect rocket flight? For Science 21 Unit 3, Weather and Climate, Lesson 7, Beware, Wild Weather is Coming, the companion STEM-SIMS lessons are in the module Weather, and Lesson 1, Weather and Temperature, and Weather, Lesson 2, How is Weather Measured? For Science 21 Unit 4, Inheritance and Variation of Traits, Lesson 4, Who Will Survive to Reproduce, the companion STEM-SIMS lesson is Evolutionary Change, Lesson 1, Natural Selection. We hope that you find the free STEM-SIMS resources as valuable tools that augment your Science 21 lessons and keep you making science a critical and foundational part of your students' lives. Please contact sales@stemsims.com for more information on purchasing the full STEM-SIMS suite of over 350 virtual labs and simulations.